Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, My Simple Remedies. Do you have rough, dry hair? Do you wish you had beautiful, smooth, and shiny hair? Then you came to the right place. Today, I'm going to show you a homemade hair mask that contains only 3 natural ingredients that will amaze you from the first use. Your hair will become so soft and shiny that you won't even need a comb to brush your hair. That's right, your fingers can do the brushing. So let's get started on this magical mask. Take half a cup of coconut oil in a pan and heat it using the double boiler method. When it's sufficiently warm, remove it from the heat and put it in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 1 teaspoon of honey to it. Mix everything well with a spoon until you get a smooth mixture. Now, divide your hair into sections using a comb. While cinnamon certainly provides a lot of internal health benefits, it also helps to improve the health and appearance of your hair. Thanks to the many nutrients, such as antioxidants and vitamins that can be found in cinnamon, it actually provides a lot of health and cosmetic benefits for your scalp and hair. Cinnamon also exfoliates and removes any buildup that may be present on the scalp, which unclogs and frees up your hair follicles to allow for healthier hair growth. Honey reduces breakage, which is often a cause for slower hair growth. It has rich antioxidant properties which prevent damage, keeping your scalp and hair healthy. Apply this mixture with a brush to the roots of your hair, starting from the back, working your way up to the front. Coconut oil adds luster, shine, and softness to the hair, and also prevents hair breakage and split ends, contributing to hair length. When you apply this mixture in the form of a mask, it can help stimulate better circulation to the skin, which in turn boosts the flow of blood to your hair follicles. This nutrient-rich blood then nourishes your scalp and boosts the growth of new hair and makes hair shiny and lustrous. When the whole scalp is covered with this mixture, leave it on for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, wash your hair with a mild shampoo and then condition your hair with your regular conditioner. You'll see the amazing effects instantly. Use this mask every day for 1 week and you'll see that your hair will become healthier and shinier than ever. I hope you enjoyed my video. Be sure to share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!